Here I am in my local beer joint, and I traded these two bottle openers. You notice the top one I made in a recent video for a few beers, for a few of these Gordon Christmas beers, which I really enjoy. And I have another idea for a bottle opener, and I'm gonna do that right now. The piece of steel I'm using here is a piece of 1/2 inch square and just 2 inches long. I'm forming the catch area much the same as I did in my last bottle opener video. I wanted to thank Bruce Butcher for his latest donation, and also for sharing his ideas about different bottle openers and showing me a picture of his latest karambit style bottle opener, which was really cool. And it was actually coincidental because I told him, I said, I'm thinking of making a ringed bottle opener, and I meant, you know, the style I'm making here, and he thought of it more as the karambit style. It's always a good idea to chamfer square edges. It just makes it look a lot better. This is not the punch that I was just using. This is one of my countersink tools, but this style tool is also good for drifting holes. So the idea here is to drift this hole wide enough so I can insert my middle finger, and then, like I said, this will be a ring bottle opener. You'll see. I've never made one of these before, so this is also a learning experience to some extent for me as well. Yeah, it doesn't quite fit yet, so I'll have to expand it just a little bit more. One of these days I'm going to put this small petting house in front of me and use it in a video. You know, a few people have asked that, but I'll get around to it one of these days. I want this to tuck underneath my palm, so I'm putting a 90-degree bend in it here. I'll give it its final size and round up the inside more with this little cone mandrel I have. I just want to clean up the top edge of this mainly just to give it more of a polished ring look. So I just, brushed off a little bit of the scale with that steel brush and then go on to this brass brush and just, work that back and forth on the areas where I want the brass to impart onto the steel. And so the piece should be warm, just at a black heat. And then the more you rub, once you get to a certain point and it looks kind of goldish, it's better to stop there. If you keep going, then you ruin it. Too much is not good and too little is not good. You have to kind of find a balance. But I wanted to give the ring, the top of this much more of that brass or golden look. So that's why I focused on that one spot. So there it is, the finished ring bottle opener. Will it work? Well, we'll soon find out. Look at this, Blacksmith bling bling. So 2 quick observations. I should have filed the inside ring edges to round. It hurt a bit using this. And I should have shortened the length a bit. Have the catch closer towards my knuckle. I think the hand position would be better. Anyway, time to enjoy. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks very much.